Hello everyone, hi, and I welcome you once again to my channel. How is your life and how is your week going on? Please do interact with me. I want to really know you guys and talk to you guys. Yeah, so today I have one question to all of you, and if this question resonates with you, I would request you to stay with me till the end. So, the question that I have is: are you losing hope in your life? Does everything seems like you have lost everything? There is no way out for you. Things seems to be futile and you want to give up. Abandon yourself, people around you, and everything else around you. Are you losing your self-worth, self-esteem, and feeling a sense of hopelessness? Then today I have two stories to share with you. Two different stories from two different angles to tell you what hope can do and what hope can bring in your life. Once, a teenage boy from a village moved to the city in pursuit of a job to support his family. He then applied for a job in a big firm. After some days, he was called for an interview. He successfully cleared all the tests and cleared the interview as well. Hiring manager ने उससे बोला कि you are hired. Give me all the details for further processing. Also make sure that your bike is in good condition, as you have to do a lot of traveling to meet the customer. The boy replies, Sir, but मेरे पास कोई बाइक है नहीं. हायरिंग मैनेजर ने बोला कि विदाउट अ बाइक, बिना बाइक के ये जॉब आपको नहीं मिल सकती. यू कैन लीव नाउ. द बॉय लेफ्ट द प्लेस थिंकिंग अबाउट कि अब वो आगे क्या करे. उसके पास कुछ ही पैसे बचे थे जिससे वो बस आगे आने वाले कुछ ही दिनों में अपना खाना पीना कर सकता था. लेकिन उसे अपने गांव भी वापस नहीं जाना था बिना जॉब के, पर उसे भरोसा था एंड ही हैड दिस होप दैट ही विल डेफिनेटली फाइंड अ बेटर जॉब. जब ये सोच ही रहा था उसी टाइम ही केम अक्रॉस अ बिग वेजिटेबल मार्केट. तब उसके माइंड में एक आइडिया आया एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू बाय द वेजिटेबल्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट. जो भी पैसा उसके पास था, सारी सब्जियां उसने उस पैसों से खरीद ली एंड ही वेंट to sell those vegetables door to door by walking. By the end of the evening, he was able to sell all those vegetables and had a good profit. This gave him confidence that he can earn from this. Then every day morning, he will go to the vegetable market to buy fresh vegetables and sell them to door till he finishes his stock. He continued his hard work every day, and within years, he developed his business. Soon he became one of the biggest food chain retailer. After some years, one of his new friends visited his big house where multiple cars were parked in a garage. Seeing this, उसके फ्रेंड ने पूछा उससे कि आपके पास तो कार्स का बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन है, क्या आपके पास बाइक कलेक्शन भी है? That guy replied, मैंने कभी अपने लिए कभी बाइक खरीदी ही नहीं. फ्रेंड ने सरप्राइज से होके पूछा कि वाई, क्यों अपने लिए बाइक नहीं खरीदी? आदमी ने कहा कि अगर मैंने ये बाइक खरीदी होती तो मेरे पास आज इतनी सारी गाड़ियाँ ना होती. So the moral of the story is, if we want something and we are not getting it, we should not lose our hope. Instead, we should work hard on achieving what we really want, because we don't know what actually destiny has in store for us. Yes, believe in yourself that yes, you can do it, and never, never, ever lose hope. Let me share another story with you here. Once there was a man who was running a business and it faced several losses, and the man had to sell his properties and cars to continue running the business. Seeing the situation, the son asked his father, Why are you still running the business when you are at loss? Why don't you shut the business? Father smiled and replied, My son, life can bring us many challenges and even can push us down. But when we have hope, we can overcome the challenges. सन बेटा बोलता है कि होप कैसे हमको हेल्प करेगा. पापा बोलते हैं चलो बेटा मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. तो जो उसके फादर थे वो अपने बेटे को एक बड़े से वेल के पास ले जाते हैं एंड ही आस्क्ड हिज सन टू जंप ऑन इन द वेल. बेटा शॉक में बोलता है कि पापा मेरे को तो स्विम करना ही नहीं आता, मैं कैसे जंप करूं, आई कांट जंप. बट हिज फादर पुश्ड हिज सन टू द वेल and went into a hiding place. Son struggled and he kept on trying to float for close to 5 minutes, and after some time, when he was about to get drowned, the father jumped and pulled his son out of the well. The next day, father again took his son to the well and asked him to jump again. The boy with some hesitation jumped into the well. Father again went into hiding. The boy again struggled to keep floating and he pushed harder. Time kept on running and even after 15 minutes, he was pushing himself. Then father came and pulled his son out of the well. Father asked his son, "Why you were pushing harder than yesterday?" Son replied, "Yesterday I was not knowing what to do when you pushed me into the well, and with fear I drowned. But today I know you will come and save me if I am about to get drowned." So, life can bring us many challenges, but when you're pushing yourself with the hope of overcoming that challenge and trusting people around you, you will definitely succeed on that.